Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use real testimonials with Elementor, Divi, and other page builders. Let's get started. After installing and activating the Real Testimonials plugin, you will see the dashboard page. From here, go to the Saved Templates tab and click Add New. In the page editor, enter a title for your template, for example, Testimonials Showcase. Then, add the block you want to use and customize it exactly how you want your testimonials to appear. Once you are done, click Publish. Next, go back to the Saved Templates tab. Here, you will see your published templates. You can create as many templates as you need and use the shortcode to add a testimonial showcase in any page builder. Now, let's see how to use this template in the Elementor page builder. Open a page in the Elementor editor. Then, go to the Widgets panel and scroll down. Here, you will find the Real Testimonials Saved Template widget. Drag it into the section where you want to display the testimonials. From the settings, select the template you want to use, and it will instantly appear in the editor. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Now, when visitors open your site, they will see the testimonials displayed on the page. You can also edit the template or add a new one at any time from the settings panel. The same process works with other page builders like Divi, WPBakery, Oxygen, and other popular builders. And that's it! Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other tutorials for more useful tips.